Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Style&Shine. So guys, in today's video I am going to talk about Lotus Herbal Youth RX Anti Aging Range. So I have been trying this product from past like 2 weeks. So I thought why not to make a video for it and make you aware of about this product as well. So yeah guys, if you are interested in watching this video, then please do watch my video till the end, since I am going to show you the demo and how magical the product works as well. So yeah, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, this Lotus herbal Gineplix range constitutes of natural ingredients like ginseng, ginger and milk peptide. So if your skin is quite dull or dehydrated, it's very obvious that it will lack the radiance into it. So this range of this Lotus, the herbal, is very good for your skin, and it's a perfect range if you are in the early 20s or in your late 30s. So I will be talking about the sunscreen and cream, which is for the rupees of 875. Then transforming day cream, which is for the rupees 735. Then the nourishing night cream, which is for the rupees 775 for 50 ml. Guys, aging is a natural process and everyone has to age some or the other day. But apart from this natural process, there are some external factors which also causes the premature of your skin. But if you take care of your skin very diligently every day, and if you wash your face at least for 4 times in a day if you have an oily skin, so you can very obviously we can delay the wrinkles and the fine lines on our skin. So guys, basically all this Lotus herbal products, it basically contains the 3 components, that is the ginseng, ginger and the milk peptide. Basically ginseng is responsible for the regenerating of the skin cells, and it's also responsible for the elasticity of the skin. Then coming to the second part, that is the ginger, it is amazing for as an antioxidant, and it prevents skin damage and improves the blood circulation. Then coming to the third component, that is the milk peptide, it nourishes your skin from within and it fights premature aging of your skin. So before using all these products, I make sure that I wash my face with this Nevsoft cleansing lotion, which is recommended to me by my doctor. I have also reviewed about this product and I will provide the link in the description. So once your skin is nice and clean, we will move on to the Youth Activating Serum Plus Creme. This is very lightweight serum and it provides a great nourishment. The serum basically it penetrates the skin very quickly, and it drives 10 times more Gineplix to the derma layer of your skin, and it boosts also the collagen production. And this cream also nourishes and hydrates your skins and help gain moisture. Then I move on to the Transforming Day Cream. It contains the SPF of 25 PA++ and it's preservative free. You can use it in the morning or in the evening, but I personally like to use it in the morning as it reduces the fine lines and wrinkles and makes your skin look quite younger. So this again has the same components like the ginseng, ginger and the milk peptides. It is again a light formula and it also gets quickly absorbs into your skin. So yeah, so as you can see, this is the way I do apply all the creams. This basically I'm using at the daytime. So yeah, so as you can see, it gets quickly absorbs into the skin and it does not leave a chip chap on your face. So yeah. Now we will move to the evening part of this regime. So guys, you can use the Serum Plus cream if required, or you can directly opt for the anti-aging nourishing night cream. Guys, I would like to tell you that I have absolutely loved this product. It's just because it makes your skin looks really nice the next morning, and this night cream also contains the same ingredients like the other product has, and I found that it is more hydrating than the day cream, and it quickly gets absorbs into your skin and gives you a radiant look in the morning. So yeah guys, it's time to end the video. So if you want to purchase all these products, I'll provide the link in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. This range is basically for the, it's made for the Indian skin tone, and it's for all the skin types, so you know, no need to worry about it. So yeah guys, if you have liked this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and always stay stylish.